Hi, I'm Tim Queen, and today we're going to talk about how you present new ideas to a customer in the most efficient way. What most people do wrong when they present something, they try to sell the change. They try to sell the improvement. They say, we can make this better. We can improve this. Here's the thing, when people do something wrong for a really long period of time, the act of doing it becomes really frustrating to them. They kind of start to hate their job, or they start to hate the activity because they didn't have the success experiences. They didn't have the experience of having joy because something was working, because something was effortless, because something was like really amazing and really got them to the next step. They don't have that. They only start associating like one failure after another failure after another failure, and over time this is accumulating to really hate and frustration. And if you're coming along and you're telling them, yeah, you have to do the same thing you were doing before, but you have to improve it. Do you know what they hear? They just hear, I have to do the thing that I really hate, but I have to put in more work. I have to work harder to get this done. And then they're imagining themselves like how much they hate doing this one thing is really frustrating. And I feel like, okay, now I have to do twice as much effort into doing the thing that I really hate, and I don't want to do it. And they might temporarily use their willpower to overrule like whatever feeling they have, whatever frustration. They say like, no, I'm going to get this done. And I'm going to work hard. And after a few days, they're going to give up. You can't sell them the improvement. You can't sell them the change. You have to repackage this, rephrase this, reframe this into a new opportunity. It has to be something new. You have to repackage it so it doesn't sound like an improvement to something they're already doing. So you can actually like detach whatever the activity is from the negative feelings they have accumulated for a really long time. We have to make sure that we can repackage this, we can explain this in a different way, we can use a different way of storytelling, of explaining, of restructuring, repackaging it and giving it like a new name, a new approach that is not associated with any feelings whatsoever. Because if you can manage that, then you can actually explain what it's really doing. The client is more open. They don't have any like they don't have two different feelings that are competing with each other. It's like a neutral thing, a new idea, and you can get them excited for this idea. You can explain this idea. You can make them believe in the idea, and then they have the commitment. And the commitment, they will learn slowly, set the expectations right, but the small steps that they do on a consistent basis, they are not fighting against those feelings of frustrations that have been built up for many, many years. And this is how you can help your client to succeed. You have to restructure something so they don't have the negative feeling of failing over and over again associated with some activity, because then it becomes a hassle, it becomes stressful, they commit for a short period of time and they're just going to give up. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think is the key factor for success? How do you present new ideas to customers? How do you make them commit? What do you do to ensure that they succeed in their business? Let me know in the comments below, and if you like this video, hit the like button, turn the subscription on and the notification bell so you get email updates when I release a new video about marketing strategies and tactics that actually work.